So I've got a 2017 Ram 1500, and I'm going to show you how to check the level, the brake fluid level in the master cylinder. So if you want to check the brake fluid level, the brake fluid reservoir, the master cylinder, is on the driver's side in the firewall, and this is translucent on this vehicle like it is in a lot of vehicles now, which I like because you can easily see through it. I just did a brake job on this vehicle yesterday, and that video is on the channel too. So we know it's up to level. The maximum mark is right there, and there's a minimum mark like right here, and you can see through it. Like if I wiggle it, you can see the levels like right above here, so we're good. But if you had to add some brake fluid in to top it off, you can just undo the cap right here, get the proper brake fluid, and then bring it up to level. And when you're at the maximum mark right here, put your cap back on, then tighten it, and you should be good. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it. Take it easy, guys.